this video, I'm going to give you 7 tips of how you can make sure that your business grows and it's got the foundation to help you build a business that you can actually sell at some time in the future. So stay tuned and take action on the 7 tips that you get right now. Tip number 1, and it might seem obvious, but what's your plan? What have you got? What have you actually seen as your future? Have you set your 10, 5, 3, 2, 1 year goals? Have you done that? Because those businesses that fail to plan to fail. They are the ones that have got no vision to move forward. So it's absolutely crucial that you know what you're doing on a daily basis so that you can measure it. Tip number 2 is you. How do you fix you? What are your beliefs? Okay, what are your beliefs about money? What are your beliefs about building relationships? What are your beliefs about anything to do with business? Because if you don't change your beliefs, you won't change your actions. And if you don't change your actions, you'll keep on getting what you've always got. Because what you believe about you will always come true. The next bit is positioning your business. How do you stand out in a flooded market? Because there's very few businesses out there that are unique. Most of them are a derivative of something or other. So it's understanding how you stand out amongst all of the other people that are doing exactly what you do. And there's only 4 ways that you can do that. So if you want to know more about that, then maybe come and join our Millionaire Mindset course. The next bit, tip number 4, is about your marketing. How are you marketing your business? How many calls does it take for you to get a client? Do you know what that is? Have you worked it out? Are you measuring it? So you should be, as a business owner, as a new business owner, one of the things that you are is a marketer. You need to be marketing your business 24/7, 365. And if you don't know how to do that, then you need to find somebody that does. Because otherwise you'll fall into the feast or famine, the boom or bust bollocks, as I call it. So how are you marketing? The next bit is, if you're very good at the marketing and you're getting them in, what are you like at sales? Because my experience is most people, they hate sales. They really don't like doing the sales. So what is your process for selling? Are you a transactional seller or are you a relationship seller? You know, because there's a massive difference in the results that you'll get. So you need to learn the difference between relationship and transactional selling. The next, it's great having all of this stuff in place, but if you haven't got the systems and processes to make sure that your business runs properly, how are you ever going to grow the business? Businesses are run by systems and processes, okay? And then people run the systems and processes. So we need to make sure that there is a process for absolutely everything, from making the tea to making the major decisions at the top of the business. And then finally, customer service. How do you deliver a customer service that is so good that they come back time after time after time and keep buying your products? So it's an example of that is where I sold my first book. All the people that have bought the first book have gone on to buy book number 2, book number 3, and book number 4 because the product is good. The people that come on my Millionaire Mindset course, they all refer people. They all refer more people in. So the course is self-fulfilling prophecy. So it keeps filling up. So there are your 7 tips. So it's number 1 is what's your strategy? How do you do that? Number 2 is you and what are your beliefs? Number 3 is how do you stand out in a flooded market? Number 4 is your marketing. You need to market 24/7, 365. Number 5 is sales. Are you transactional or are you a relationship seller? Number 6 is all about systems and processes. And number 7 is building a customer service that's so good that they keep coming back and buying your product time and time again. If you'd like to know more, just sign up to my blog or follow me for more details. Come on, what have you got to lose? You've just had these tips. And look out for the next Millionaire Mindset course. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.